Thokozani Makhosini. So ngifuna ukukhuluma ngokubaluleka kwempepho, specifically impepho yamawele. This is how you determine impepho yamawele ingathi imhlophe. Impepho yamawele ke iyenza ukuxhumana okusheshayo phakathi kwakho nabantu abangasekho. So it creates a fast connection between you and your ancestors. Ma umuntu ophila nabantu abadala noma umuntu onesiphiwe noma ungakasebenzisa isiphiwo sakho understand, kubalulekile ukuthi uhlale unayo impepho yamawele because it connects you nezindlondlo zakho, it connects you nabantu laba abasuke bekuwena. Sometimes you would feel a presence but understand ukuthi le presence umuntu otheni, ozokwenzani noma une-message ethini understand. So ukukhanyisa le mpepho le izosiza ukuthi kunibe nokuxhumana nalabo abasuke beze kuwena ukuze ukwazi ukuthi bakwazi ukuthi basebenze kuwena, ukwazi ukuthi noma ubasense ubafila bakwazi uku-operate kuwena ukuze bakhulume phela ugcina uzwile ukuthi indaba ithini. Sometimes you feel a presence that is not good energy. There's bad energy, there's good energy. So ukushisa impepho yamawele creates that protection for you because isusa ixosha le moya emibi bese kusala laba abane energy okuyiyona efanele ukuthi ifinyelele kuwena. So impepho yamawele works as a protector and works as ukuxhumanisa phakathi kwakho nabantu abangasekho. Ma umuntu ukuphila nesiphiwo noma umuntu okuthiwa wazalwa embethe, umuntu wenhlanhla, kubalulekile ukuthi uhlale unayo impepho yamawele, uhlale ushise around the house, uyihogele because iyenza ukuthi labantu abakuwe, labantu abakugadile bahlale benawe, ube nobudlelwane nabantu abakuwena, nibe nalokho kuxhumana nezingilosi zakho. Siyathokoza endlondleni.